Here's how to add text on surface in Photoshop. First of all, duplicate the layer, image layer, and then select the upper layer and go to select. Click on subject. This will automatically select your image subject in just few seconds. Once selected, click on the mask icon. Now hide the upper layer. Now select the text tool and write your text just like this. You can change your text color, then select the selection tool and change your text size just like this. Now you have to put this text layer between these two layers, and then right click on your text layer, click on select pixels, press Ctrl C to copy your text. Now delete the text layer and add a new layer between these two layers. Now press Ctrl D to deselect this selection, and after selecting the blank layer, go to filter and just click on vanishing point. Now you have to draw your surface just like this. Now you can increase your surface size as well. Now press Ctrl V to paste your copied text. Now simply drag the text into this surface just like this. Now it's time to adjust our text. So press Ctrl T, and then you can easily make your text perfect for the surface. Just like this, you can make your text small or bigger. Once you're happy with the result, click on OK. Now double click on the layer to open the blending options. Here press the Alt key and click on this icon to divide. Now increase this to adjust your text with the surface. So go ahead and adjust these underlining layers according to your surface. Then just click on OK, and then unhide the first layer, and that's how you can actually add text on surface. Thanks for watching.